Good evening, good evening. Tonight I would like to take you to one of our favourite places to watch sunset, Black Skimmer Island. Black Skimmer Island is located about 1 mile from the Sanibel Causeway, very close to Picnic Island. Not only is it a great place to watch sunset, but it's a stunning location to see the local bird population come home to roost. When you approach the island, you will enter a no-wake zone. It is important not to get too close, as you do not want to disrupt the natural behaviour of the birds. A little before sunset, you will start to see birds coming to the island, but once the sun goes down, they come in droves. It's common to see cormorants, white ibis, great egrets and brown pelican. White pelican come in the winter time. You may see the occasional bald eagle. Black skimmers are rarely seen. Dolphins are extremely common in the waters around. The north side of the island is the best viewing area at sunset. I hope you've enjoyed this look at Black Skimmer Island. My name is Nick Adams. Come back and join us on the next one.